Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So first open the settings tab and then tap to the Charas. Hi, today in front of me HONOR X6a and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So we should first open the Muviz Edge app. In AOD section, just here select one from the available options which you like and tap to apply. Here we could switch the backgrounds. If you want, you could add them if you didn't use them before. For example, this one, tap to apply. Here music control settings, we could hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We could activate or turn off the notification and calendar just by click on the switchers, and the battery status to show it always while device charging or just to don't show it. Let's go back, switch AOD to the settings and tap to always on display. Here we got on the right upper corner the switcher with which we could activate or turn off the AOD option. We could show it on lock screen always while charging on music. We could use these options together separately. Here we could switch the decrease or increase the brightness level, to switch the AOD timeout, low power after timeout, screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it with a fingerprint on screen off. We could also set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use it in a burn-in protection and a pocket modes, and also we could disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on your HONOR device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.